Here's how to register Luminous battery warranty. First, open your web browser and search for Luminous Register Product. From the search results, open the Luminous Care website. Once the website loads, you'll be taken to the Luminous Care page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Register a Product, then click on it. This will take you to the product registration form. Here, you'll need to enter some basic information. Start by providing your name, followed by your email address and 10-digit mobile number. Then enter your complete address, PIN code, city, and state. Next, select the product category. In this case, we're registering a battery, so choose battery from the category options. After that, enter the 14-digit serial number associated with your product. You'll also need to provide proof of purchase, which is an important part of the registration. Upload a clear image of your receipt or another document that confirms your purchase. Once you've entered all the required information and uploaded your proof of purchase, click Submit to complete the registration. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.